you've probably heard of Bali, Indonesia, known as the Magical Island. It's grown into one of the top destinations in the world with its infamous swings, beautiful rice fields, and affordable 5-star resorts with countless Instagrammable spots. But it's magical because of its beautifully rich culture, made up of people who live slowly and humbly. The island truly leaves a mark on you when done the right way. I spent 10 days in Bali solo, one of the best and craziest decisions I've ever made. Turns out, Bali is one of the safest and most affordable destinations that you can visit solo. The experience was soul food for me, and I'm excited to relive it.
You have been to Bali before?
No, this is my first time.
Yeah, first time, yeah.
So I decided to spend my first few days at Movement Bali Yoga and Surf in Seminyak. This area near the beach is known for its beach clubs, resorts, and restaurants galore. I knew my jet lag would be insane, so I planned a chill first few days. Mostly facials, mani-pedis, and a massage, of course. Took a shower in here after the massage, and then I already took it, so the tea's empty, but you get the point. Hello world, welcome today to in Seminyak, Bali. Today I'm trying to make this light go away and it's not going away. Whatever, bye. We're going to see beach clubs. So the next morning, I checked out of Movement and headed to an area called Canggu. Canggu is known for its very bohemian chic vibes and aesthetic, and it's home to many people who come to Bali and work remote from all over the world. When I vacation for long periods of time, I like to mix cheaper places with more expensive ones, and this private villa in Canggu was about $70 a night. Good morning from, my voice, the most perfect place on the planet. Kasava Cafe is one of those super trendy, cute, adorable cafes in Canggu. So apparently this place is a whole resort with a pool and such. Good to know for next time. One of my favorite parts about Bali is how cheap it is. So my meals throughout my entire trip were anywhere from $2 to $10.
It's okay we set the music?
Yes. I love the music. So after spending 3 days near the beach, I decided to head inland to Ubud, Bali. I hired a driver, and the driver was able to drive me about an hour and a half to get from Canggu to Ubud. So Ubud is more rural and jungle-like, and its vibe is more authentic to Balinese culture than the more touristy beach areas. In Ubud, you can find waterfalls, swings, the monkey forest, coffee plantations, and so much more. y'all. I am in Ubud, Bali. I clearly don't care what I look like on camera. I have just honestly been chilling. Not much makeup, not much doing my hair. I lost my hair scrunchie, so I'm using like a belt to tie my hair up right now. But I'm having breakfast overlooking the rice fields, and then I have a spa day planned today, so I'll be headed to that. Yeah. Karsa Spa was absolutely one of my favorite parts of my vacation. First you pick scrubs, then you pick oils. Of course I'm going to do the jasmine or lavender, I don't know. I also have Ricky. I might be saying that wrong. It's about transferring energy. I bought an 8-hour spa treatment, which was about $80-something in total. It included everything from a massage, mani-pedi, body scrub, flower bath, etc. It was amazing. 10/10 recommend, and I would go back. Beautiful. So after the first part of my massage, I'm eating lunch here. How freaking cute is this? I really cannot deal. Can't deal. I feel amazing. First of all, I'm shook. This had the best massage I've ever had in my life. This little, I don't know, I just found this randomly, but the view is beautiful. I'm somewhere in Ubud. I have no idea where. I just know that I'm near some rice terraces, and I don't really know how I'm gonna get back, but I'll figure it out. I love Ubud, but I need to stress that it's so hard to get around here. I am at like a little cafe with no Wi-Fi, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get home. On this episode of How's Kayla Gonna Get Home in Bali. So the next day, I booked an Airbnb experience that gave me a photographer, but he also offered free pickup and drop off, and he was my tour guide.
You can follow the menu. Start from here 1, Investing 5 to 7, and the guys to 14, ginger coffee, this is tea and coffee, yeah?
Thank
Already
you.
number and name also.
Perfect. Thank you. This one is the coconut coffee.
Coconut coffee.
Number 12.
Number 12.
I'm really interested in what 13 is going to say. How do you say this?
Pandanus. This is from the leaf.
From the leaf?
Yeah.
Ah,
We also make it offering. Like in the top we put this. Smell is good.
it tastes like very light.
Okay. Okay.
This is ginger coffee.
This is hot. Yeah. Like a chili.
Ginger tea better than this. It does. It is a little
Like chili,
spicy,
right?
Yeah.
Basic.
I think my favorite, the mango steam, the rosella, and the ginger tea.
Ginger tea. Okay. Mango steam, rosella, and ginger. Okay.
So of course I'm doing the super extreme. It's very extreme. This is a baby swing. Ooh. Which one is the extreme one?
Oh, extreme or super extreme?
Super, oh, super extreme.
Super, yeah.
Oh, that looks cooler. Thank you.
Extreme here.
Okay, yeah, this looks a lot cooler.
Ready?
Yes. I sent my mom this video and she freaked out. But this is one of the coolest things I have ever done. Highly recommend. And I was so surprised that there was no line when I got to the swing. Making our way downtown, walking fast. Do you know that song?
One.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past, and I'm homebound. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. How do you say it? Tanganunan Waterfall.
Can see from here.
Oh, wow. I've never seen a waterfall before. So today was amazing. Focus. Today was amazing, okay? I can't even. Baby, can you focus on me? Oh, and my tour guide, he was amazing. I'll also have a link for him as well. He was really like a photographer tour guide, but he was like super dope. So accommodating, so helpful. Bitchin'. Just super talented. Can't wait to show those photos. I'll like probably pop some of those in, some like photos from the tour eventually. But you can always like go to my Instagram at @TheIconicK. Shameless plug. And view them. Also on my blog, they'll be on my blog. So with my birthday coming up in the next few days, I decided it was time for a little luxury. So I booked a last minute stay at a really nice resort called Anulika. And yeah, it was time to check in. I'm obsessed. Look at the master. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I gotta stop singing. I finally have a tub. I didn't have a tub before. But definitely putting that baby to use. Conservative. I stand. This is beautiful. morning. So I'm still hungover from the entire bottle of cheap rosé I had last night. It's officially my birthday eve. That was ugly. Poses. So that means it's time to take it up a notch or two. Though I suppose we've been up literally for a week now. I've been here for over a week. Happy to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday, Miss.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you guys are so great. Thank you. Actually looks good because I didn't know. Got eggs, bacon, mushrooms, some cute plants, coffee that says happy birthday. So cute. And then later that day, I headed back toward Ubud to stay in another resort closer to downtown. Finally decided to be, what's the word? Deciphered. Somewhere over here. I'm trying Indonesian food for the first time at this place. I don't know the name of it, can't say it. Yeah, TBD. Oh, also I tried this drink. It has passion fruit, rum, lime, mint leaf, and sparkling wine in it. And it legit like has passion fruit in it. Like it's at the bottom. I don't know if you can see. It's very interesting. Good morning, people. It's my birthday. Again, it's my birthday. Pew, pew, pew. Today I am going to have breakfast here at the resort, Corey, Ubud, Villain Resort. Then get a quick massage. I just want like a foot massage for now. That's really all I have time for. Then I'm going to make authentic coconut oil with a Balinese family. And then after that, I'm gonna go downtown, do some more shopping, and then probably get another massage, because why not? So you guys remember my tour guide, Ryan? Well, his wife hosts a coconut oil making class, so I decided to hit her up and join her at their family home. This was a super cool experience to be able to spend the day with a Balinese family in their traditional home, and she had so many small touches for my birthday. It was an amazing experience. Ladies, and this is the okay. Oh, they're so small. Yeah. Durian, you know this? No. Durian smelling strong. Ah. And this mangosteen. Oh, I love mangosteen. And after the tour, it was time to make some coconut oil. One thing that's really cool about how the Balinese use coconuts is that nothing goes to waste. They use every single part of the coconut from the outside to the very center. It was really cool to get a glimpse into that world. Looking good. Doing this right? Yeah. Okay. I love this part so much because the matriarch of the family came in and was like, "You will not do this that way in my kitchen." So she took a moment to show me how to grind the coconut, and she didn't speak any English, but she was really sweet about it.
Inside.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah, sweet also sweet.
Ah. And then I just eat it with a spoon.
Yeah, with this single spoon. Grandpa. Kaki is mean grandpa. Grandpa is kaki.
How do you say father?
Bapak.
My oil that I made. So I just got back from the coconut making class. Coconut oil making class, excuse me. Honestly, I think that it was the highlight of my trip, simply because I did this solo this whole trip, and it wasn't originally planned that way. I was originally supposed to be here with people, but when that fell through, I decided that it was worth it to just do it alone, and it's been an amazing journey. And I guess one of the great parts about it is that I haven't felt like I'm alone. I've been interacting with I'm getting emotional. I've been interacting with the locals so much, whether it's my drivers or the servers at the restaurants, or even today with this amazing family. Everyone is just so nice, and they just want you to be happy. This is a very peaceful place, and Balinese people are so peaceful, calm, helpful. This place is like full of love, and today was amazing. I mean, I'm so thankful to be here and to be able to do this. It's been a great day so far, and it's not even over yet, but I just wanted to say that, yeah, I'm so thankful. So full of gratitude. Yes, and at peace. Next morning, I got up and headed to Jimbaran, which is a town back near the beach, near the airport, so I would spend my last day there. I hired a driver to take me from Ubud down to Jimbaran, and it was about a 2-hour drive.
'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I stop smiling, smiling berasing sun.
Jimbaran is a small fishing town, so the beaches are lined with fresh seafood restaurants. This beach is lined with seafood restaurants. It's like paradise. Sitting on the beach, watching the sunset over the Indian Ocean felt so surreal. I was proud of myself for conquering this solo trip. I saw and experienced things I had only imagined before. I knew then that this would be my first solo trip around the world of many. I felt so at peace and inspired. Bali is pure magic.